Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to pay Verizon bill with Afterpay. Afterpay is typically intended for online or in-store shopping and is not usually used to pay bills. However, Verizon Wireless does accept cheap a buy now, pay later service. Here are some ways to pay Verizon bill. Sign into my Verizon as an account owner or manager. Select pay bill, then schedule payment arrangement. You can choose to pay in one and multiple installments. After that, pay at bill pay kiosk or with an experienced specialist using cash, checking account, credit card, debit card, or Verizon gift card. Verizon also accepts checking accounts, credit cards, debit cards, and Verizon gift cards. By following these steps, you can easily pay Verizon bill.